G'day guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Brennan and I appreciate you stopping by. If this is your first time here and you didn't see my last video, is Hayden Bowser Scammer. I'll leave a link in the description below. Jump in, check it out. It's something that may interest you. So a little bit about this channel. So what I'm doing here is I'm bringing you information on passive income streams and just generally how to make money online. None of this is a get rich quick scheme, so if you're after that, you're not going to find it here. Another thing that I'll bring you on this channel is scams. There are a lot of scammers out there, a lot of the big name gurus. They are scammers, they're scamming people, making millions of dollars off it. So what I'm going to do is try to expose some of that as well, save you guys a bit of money, and hopefully make you a little bit of money in the process. So today what we're going to be looking at is Survey Junkie. I've done a lot of research on this. There's a lot of people out there. They keep on saying that Survey Junkie is the best survey site to join. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to join up with it, jump in and spend an hour or two on there, see how much money that we can make and show you guys exactly how it works. So after this video, with a bit of luck, you'll actually have enough knowledge of whether you want to jump in and have a go at this yourself. So without any further ado, let's jump in, take a look at it, and we'll see what we get. Okay, so here we are guys, we're in Survey Junkie now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to head straight over to the Join Now button here, press that. Okay, so here we have sign up with Facebook, sign up with Google, or enter email address. So I'm going to enter my email address. Click I agree to this site's terms and privacy policy. Hit the sign up button and see what happens. Okay, so it says here your voice can change the products of tomorrow. Set up your account to share your opinions and get paid. Okay, I'm going to hit the start now button. Okay, put in my zip code. Country is Australia. Okay, my date of birth. Click next. My gender, I am a male, that's who I identify as. Okay, put in my details, create a password. And it says here, congratulations, just for signing up, you received 25 points. Complete your profile for an additional 50 points. So at this stage, I don't know what the points are for, but I guess as we go along, we're probably going to find out. So I'll start my profile. Okay guys, so I've just got another 50 points for filling in part of my profile. Okay, so I have to verify my identity. Okay, so what it looks like here guys is that for every point equals 1 cent. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the quick start checklist, confirm my email address. Okay, I just confirmed that. I get an extra 25 points. Now I'll go to how it works for 5 points. Take surveys, earn points, then redeem them for cash or popular e-gift cards. It's that simple, it says. and I just earned another 5 points for doing that. Okay, so currently I have 105 points and $1.05 redeemable cash. Okay, so now I'll go to technology profile. I'll fill this out, guys, and get back to you afterwards. Okay guys, so here it says I've just got another 10 points for filling out that part of the profile. So I'll hit continue. We'll move along now, and I'll have a look over here. I'll do another profile and I'll get back to you once I'm done. And there we have it, guys, another 10 points, which equals another 10 cents. So I hit continue again. I now have 125 points just for filling out these profiles. So I have $1.25 redeemable cash. So moving along, I'll take a survey now for 65 points. Hurrah! Start your reward earning journey. 1 out of 5 surveys I will qualify for. Okay, so I didn't qualify for that one, but I did get 3 points for it. So let's do some more, we'll see how we go. Okay, so we'll take another survey here for 65 points, 12 minutes. See how we go here. Okay, just waiting for it to load. Hopefully I'll be able to continue with this survey. Okay, so now it says 20 minutes. And I didn't get that one either. Okay. So I'm still at 128 lifetime points. Take this survey for 25 points. And I'll get back to you once I'm done. Okay, I didn't qualify for that one either, but I did get another 3 points. So moving along, we'll hit let's do more. Moving along, I'll do another one for 13 minutes, 25 points. And I did not pass that one either. At least I got another 3 points. So let's move along again. I'm not having too much luck here at the moment. So let's go along and do some more. Okay, so I'll take this survey now for 150 points, which is 21 minutes it says. Hopefully I qualify for this one. Okay, and I didn't qualify for this one either. Okay, so we'll take this one here for 60 points, 15 minutes. Wait for it to load up again. Okay, this one does say 15 minutes. Okay, so I passed that one and got 60 points. So we're now up to 197 lifetime points, which equals $1.97 redeemable cash. Take another survey, 90 points for 15 minutes. Okay. And I did not qualify for that one either. So another 3 points. Brings me up to $2 and 200 lifetime points. And I didn't qualify for that survey either. Another 3 points. This is starting to become a little bit repetitive here. So try this one, 90 points for 20 minutes. Okay, this says 20 minutes on this as well. And I didn't qualify again, nor did I even get 3 points for that one. So I'm at 203 lifetime points, $2.03 redeemable cash. Okay, so what I might do here is go to another profile. Try the travel profile for 10 points. And there we go, 10 points for filling out the travel profile. So that's just about our hour up. Actually, we're just gone over an hour. Something that may help you out with this, guys, is if you sign up to a VPN company. I use a VPN, I haven't on this though. But if you would like to use a VPN company for this, I will put a link in the description below. That way I get paid for you clicking on my link. And it also helps you out to stay anonymous online. So thank you very much, guys. I hope this has been helpful. After this, you can make up your own mind now on whether you are going to continue on and do surveys yourself. At the moment, I'm starting to think it is about as useful as working in a sweatshop. $2.15 for over an hour's worth of work. Not very good money. Take care, guys, and I will see you in the next video.